Modern technology has allowed the development of machines that can simulate human intelligence. This technology is called artificial intelligence. Machines are capable of learning and working on their own, making them very valuable in several industries and for the everyday life of each of us. From AI consulting and trading to writing and process automation, we'll cover it all. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how you can turn your passion for AI into a profitable career. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'd never miss a video. Let's get started. AI trading. Artificial intelligence trading is booming now because its features fit the world of finance ideally. AI solutions are capable of counting numbers rapidly and making optimal decisions based on big masses of data, which is highly applicable to the stock market realities. Machine learning for trading allows financial firms to get a complete image of the stock market situation with the help of in-depth, continuous stock price fluctuation analysis and unstructured data processing. It also proves useful in complex trading pattern identification, informing the right selling and buying decisions in real time. It's also important to keep in mind that AI trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it takes time, patience, and proper research to make it profitable. AI consulting. As businesses and organizations continue to adopt AI technology, there is a growing demand for experts who can help them navigate the complexities of this rapidly evolving field. If you have a background in AI or machine learning and the ability to communicate complex technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders, you can earn a significant income as an AI consultant. You can help businesses and organizations identify the most appropriate AI solutions for their needs, design and implement those solutions, and monitor their performance over time. Additionally, you can also provide training to employees on how to use AI solutions and help them understand the benefits of the technology. Task automation. AI process automation is another great way to make money using AI. With the help of AI, you can automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks, such as data entry or customer service. This can save businesses and organizations a lot of time and money, while also freeing up employees to focus on more valuable tasks. Automation also increases efficiency and accuracy and reduces human errors. As a result, it increases customer satisfaction and loyalty. Additionally, you can also consider developing AI automation software and selling it to other businesses and organizations. AI writing. With the help of AI, you can create high-quality content quickly and efficiently, which can be sold to businesses or individuals. For example, Chatgpt can be used to make money online through writing services. One way to do this is to use the model to generate unique and high-quality content for websites and blogs, which can then be sold to clients. The model can also be used to write product descriptions, marketing copy, and other types of content for e-commerce businesses. Additionally, Chatgpt can be used to create unique and engaging social media posts for businesses, which can help to increase their online presence and drive more traffic to their websites. Overall, the versatility and ability to generate high-quality content quickly make Chatgpt a valuable tool for those looking to make money through online writing services. Graphic design. You can also sell your AI artwork as a service directly to businesses or individuals who need them for their projects. If you're interested in making money from selling graphics, the best place to start is by creating a portfolio. This will show off your skills and give potential buyers an idea of the sorts of designs you can create. Once you have a portfolio, you can start selling your graphic design service on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. To get an idea of how much you can charge, browse for some graphic design jobs, such as 2D concept artists. You could make some good money quickly because there's no limit to what you can charge for art. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.